Hi everyone, welcome to Morgan and Mallet. Today, we've got a super exciting opportunity for all you professionals out there. We are seeking an experienced live-in maid for a private household located on Palm Jumeirah, supporting a family of 3 in a high-standard home environment. This is a sole cleaning role focused entirely on housekeeping, ideal for a candidate who is highly independent, organised, and confident managing all cleaning duties without supervision. The ideal candidate will have proven experience in private households, particularly with European-style cleaning standards, and demonstrate excellent attention to detail. This position suits someone professional, trustworthy, and proactive, who takes pride in delivering consistent, high-quality housekeeping in a private UHNW residence. Full training will be provided, with the family clearly explaining their household systems and expectations to ensure a smooth and successful transition into the role. If you found this opportunity exciting and want to stay updated on more like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for behind-the-scenes content, exclusive job posts, and more. The links are down below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.